Text along path, Alight motion. Quick disclaimer. You need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion app on your device. Once the app has loaded, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen to create a new project. Set your project settings according to your needs, then press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. After the project opens, press the plus button in the bottom right corner of the screen. From the available options, select Vector Drawing on top of the text button to create a path for the text to follow. Begin by placing the first point of your line, then place the second point to create the basic path. Next, go to the middle section of the line and add a new point. Once the new point has been added, convert the middle point into a curve point. After changing it to a curve point, adjust the curve according to your preference. Continue modifying the curve until the path has the shape that you want your text to follow. After creating the path, press the plus button again and select text from the available options. A text box will appear on the screen. Type the text that you want to animate along the path. Once the text has been entered, adjust the alignment according to your preference. Next, choose a font that fits your design. After selecting the font, open the size option and adjust the text size according to your needs. Then go to the color option and select any color that you like for the text. Once the text settings are complete, open the Effect browser. Inside the Effect browser, search for the Move Along Path effect. When you find it, apply the Start to End preset to the text layer. This preset automatically animates the text, so it follows the path that you created earlier. After applying the effect, the text will move along the curved line from the beginning of the path to the end. You can preview the animation to see how the text follows the shape of the path.